If your YouTube videos are stuck under 1,000 views, you're probably making these 3 deadly mistakes. I'm going to show you exactly how to fix them, and if you stay till the end, I'll share the algorithm secret that changes everything. First mistake, your thumbnail is invisible. Think of your thumbnail as your movie poster. If it doesn't stop the scroll, your video is dead before anyone even clicks. Here's the fix. Use bright colors, show real emotion, and spark curiosity. Simple as that. I once changed a thumbnail and got 300% more clicks on the exact same video. Second mistake, weak titles. Instead of boring titles like My Morning Routine, try This 5-Minute Routine Changed My Life, You Won't Believe #3. See the difference? Make your titles create curiosity, promise value, and use numbers. Just tweaking your title like this can literally double your click-through rate. Third mistake, you're losing viewers in the first 15 seconds. YouTube's algorithm decides your video's fate right here. Never start with, "Hey guys, welcome back." Instead, hit them with value right away. This mistake cost me $10,000. If you're making it too, this video will save you. That's how you hook people and keep them watching. Here's the secret. YouTube doesn't just care about views, it cares about session duration. If you keep people on YouTube longer, your videos get promoted more. The hack? Always end with a call to action to watch another video. This single change can boost your views by 500% because YouTube starts pushing your videos to way more people. Here's your action plan. First, audit your last 5 videos and fix the thumbnails. Second, rewrite your titles using that curiosity formula. Third, start your next videos with a strong hook. And fourth, always end with a call to action to watch more. Do this and watch your views explode. If this helped you, smash subscribe and watch this video next where I reveal the exact upload schedule that got me 100,000 subscribers. Your breakthrough is just one video away. Take action now.